This segment is sponsored by New Perspective Financial Solutions. Investors face challenges every day. Understanding what moves to make in the market with the highest probability of success, it can feel daunting, especially given this current market volatility. So here to help ease that stress is Tayvon Jackson. Tayvon is the founder of New Perspective Financial Solutions, a DC-based firm that focuses on preparing people for a successful retirement. And here he is. Tayvon, welcome back to Great Day, Washington.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Okay, so when it comes to conditions in the marketplace, how do we even know when you're going to hold, when you're going to buy, and when to sell?
Well, trying to time the market is kind of like flipping a coin. We have no idea whether it's going up or it's going down. Typically, when the market is volatile, we'd recommend doing what's called dollar cost averaging. And that's buying stocks every month, no matter what the price is. So I like to relate it to going shopping. If every month you shopped at the same store and you bought clothes, some months you're going to get more clothes because things are on sale, and other months you're going to get less clothes. So we actually have an algorithm portfolio called Market Guard that takes the emotion out of investing for you and tells us exactly when to buy, when to sell, and when to hold.
Okay, for those who are just learning now about Market Guard, maybe hearing it for the first time, why is this approach unique?
Yeah, so it's unique because it uses a non-emotional, mathematical, methodical approach that tells us the three most important times in the market, which is when to buy, when to sell, and when to hold. So every time the market is volatile, you have to make an emotional decision. And sometimes we make the wrong one, such as when the market's crashing, we cash out. And that's not exactly what you're supposed to do. So for example, earlier this year, when gas prices started going up, Market Guard actually shifted everybody's portfolios into gas stocks because gas was like, what, $30 a gallon.
A lot.
So you would want to be in stocks when gas prices are going up. So the problem, though, is that most people don't have Market Guard. They just have their TSP and their 401k, and it remains in the same funds their whole working career, but there's no active rebalancing going on.
In our previous conversations like this, I feel like I've heard you compare this before to like a holiday, old family recipe. And if you're missing just one ingredient from that recipe, the dessert, the dish, it just isn't the same.
Well, building a proper portfolio is kind of like baking a sweet potato pie. You can have all the right ingredients, but if you put vinegar in it, that's going to throw the whole dish off.
Yes.
So many people are just throwing ingredients in their portfolio that don't mix, and it's really hurting them, especially this year when the market's down almost 20%.
Now I want some sweet potato pie, Tayvon.
Vinegar pie.
Yes, not with the vinegar, please. Pulling this back maybe to a bigger picture, it's a complicated time, it feels like, to be approaching retirement in that period. What do people who are preparing for retirement, what do they need to really be aware of right now?
Well, you have to have a plan, and you can't be just walking around investing in different stocks and different mutual funds with no blueprint. So when you work with a fiduciary, we can help you put together that portfolio, make sure you have the right ingredients, make sure you have the right mix, and then also make sure you have the right temperature. Are you conservative? Are you moderate? Or are you aggressive? And you'll need that to be able to retire comfortably.
Thank you, Tayvon, for all the advice today, and good to see you again.
Yes, thanks for having me.
So for you at home, if you would like to learn more about preparing for your retirement, New Perspective Financial Solutions has a great offer. Tayvon wants to help protect and continue to grow your money while also helping you create a reliable income stream. So right now, for the first 5 callers with a portfolio of $250,000 or greater, they're offering a complimentary retirement income plan just for you. This will allow Tayvon and his team to sit down with you personally or schedule a call to make sure that you are on the right track for a successful retirement. The number to call is 240-335-8366. Again, it's 240-335-8366.